Welcome to a mini adventure that we are having today. Got no kids with us. Kids on a sleepover. So we're gonna go try and find, well, I guess we don't really have to try because I know exactly where it is. But there's this really cool little surprise I want to show you all. I'm not gonna tell you where it is because I'm selfish like that, and I'm gonna make you find it on your own. Yeah, that's a really cool tree. Oh. That is really cool. Giant old stump with the new spruce growing out of it. Cool. That's wicked. I discovered this little gem one time. I was out here just having a little bushwhack, and I discovered this marvelous little treat we're going to, and I have yet to use it. I've yet to utilize it, but I certainly want to. We are approaching a fork in the road. What do you do when you approach a fork in the road? You take it. Apparently we're taking that one. Alright, here's a clue. We are in the rainforest, the northernmost rainforest in North America. And boy, is it pretty. Cool labyrinth that somebody made. Everything about this place is just wicked cool. And now is where the fun really starts. There it is. So I found this one day when I was out hiking. All I saw was just the little chimney poking up. And when I come walking over, it was in the winter, so everything was frozen. I came walking over and then I noticed the door, and I was just like, what is this place? And it's just a little tiny little sauna built into the hillside. It's just so cool. Not much to it. A couple of cedar benches. A little stove. River rocks. Found a pretty good, well-used path leading off the backside of that sauna, and so we're kind of just walking it to see where it goes. If the access is a little bit easier than that precarious little bridge crossing.
I think we didn't get that far.
Oh, look! Climb up on this spruce right here. Oh yeah, you get that cottonwood. Wide on the sidewalk. Look straight ahead. Look at that dirt mound and so forth. Come on, good girl. that certainly was easier than the other way. Have to remember that. You know, sometimes you just keep banging your head against the same old pathway because that's what you know. But yeah, that worked out. That worked out really well. Because we're basically right back where we started. That's the path we went out. Awesome! Now, it's off to eat. And we have reservations. Oh, we didn't make reservations, did we?
No, we didn't.
No reservations, just
fine.
dinner. Then we're gonna find somewhere to camp. Well, and then the man rears his ugly head. No camping, so that's out. No building fires, it's kind of lame. Operation of motor vehicles, I don't care about that. Discharge of firearms, well, I guess it all depends on where you're discharging at. Construction of structures. I'm kind of glad somebody ignored that one and built that little hut. That hut has been there long before this sign. Uh-oh, now you kind of know where we are. Good luck, I hope you find it. It's a really, really cool little place to be. And yeah, it's awesome.